Quick fixes for errors A8D050003. 1. Reset Microsoft Store. Press Windows R, type, "You can see the code in our conversation history." Press Enter, Store will auto-reset and reopen. 2. Clear store cache via Settings. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options, click Terminate, then Res3. Check Date, Time, and Region. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically. Also check Region equals your actual country. 4. Re-register Microsoft Store, open PowerShell as administrator, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Use Google DNS, optional but effective. Open network settings, adapter options. Set DNS to preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.84.4. If nothing works, sign out of Microsoft Store, reboot, sign back in, or create a new local user account, then try launching the store from there.